What if your home was missing one of the most valuable possible tools? A wood planer is basically a must-have for every home, especially if you like to work on many different projects around the house. Unfortunately, many people don't have a wood planer and don't know where to start when it comes to buying one. There are many products available to choose wood planer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood planer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dual Thickness Planer. The Dual DW734 Benchtop Planer is our overall top pick for wood planers. It's one of the more high-end options that are available, but you definitely get what you pay for. Power and speed are the main hallmarks of this planer. It has a powerful motor that powers a 10,000 RPM cutting head speed, allowing the planer to make 96 cuts per inch. Keep in mind, this is not the planer for beginners. This planer's extra long in feed and out feed tables provide 33.5 inches of material support. A turr depth stop saves you time when setting the machine at commonly used depths. In addition, the planer's material removal gauge and extra large thickness scale help ensure every pass is accurate. A 4-column carriage lock drastically reduces the movement that causes material damage or snipe when planning near the end of a board. You'll need to monitor the in-feed and out-feed fold-outs so they remain level, and you may need to replace short screws with longer bolts for maximum stability. Number 2. Makita Lithiumion Cordless Planer. Flexible cordless wood planers are treasured by my users, and that's what the Makita XPK01Z offers, alongside superior cutting blades and ease of use. It runs on Makita's famed 18VLXT lithium-ion system, which rivals the power of the corded model. Delivering a speed of 14,000 RPM, the planer's motor guarantees rapid stock removal. When it comes to cutting, the planer relies on cutter heads supporting 2 high-performance carbide blades that guarantee smooth finishes and extended sharpness. Planing accuracy is further enhanced by a precision machined aluminum base. The tool planes a 5/64 inch depth in a single pass, and offers a simplified click depth adjustment knob with an easy-to-read scale to help enhance precision in this process. When it comes to handling performance, the Makita delivers well by adopting rubberized soft grips on both the rear and front handles. It is comfortable in the hand even with extended usage. We were disappointed in the fact that the required battery, Makita 18VLXT lithium-ion, and its charger are included. You will need to buy these separately. Number 3. WEN 2-Blade Benchtop Thickness Planer. While it's not the absolute best for the money, the WEN 6552T Benchtop Corded Thickness Planer is one of the best value picks on this list. With its 15-amp motor, you can generate a whopping 25,500 cuts per minute with a smooth rate of 26 feet per minute. The 3-blade design has a lot of potential, and we like that the fan-aided dust port makes it easy to breathe while you're doing work. The WEN Thickness Planer uses a tri-roller feeding system to help minimize snipe. The 3 dual-edged blades on the middle roller can be reversed to help elongate their life cycle and ensure sharp cuts. Easily adjust the height of your planer with the comfortable rubber grip adjustment handle. Each quarter rotation adjusts the height of the cutter head 1/64 of an inch for maximum precision during operation. Unfortunately, this system is likely to make a mess for you to clean up, so you're basically trading one annoyance for another. Number 4. PORTERCABLE Hand Planer. Some planers are designed as fixed models, while others have portability in mind. If you specifically need a portable planer, the PORTERCABLE PC60 THP hand planer is the way to go. At 8.5 pounds, you can take this planer just about anywhere. And even if it doesn't go beyond your house, the lightweight makes it easy to set up in any position. Fortunately, the aluminum shoe provides the strength and stability you need without weighing the planer down. And there's a convenient knob to make depth adjustment a breeze. There are limitations to the small size and portability. For example, this planer lacks the range of other models, and the finish it provides is not as fine or precise as more than the bigger, better models. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial Benchtop Planer. With the Grizzly Industrial G0505 Benchtop Planer, you are moving towards the higher end of planer prices. Unfortunately, it does not offer the performance or features you might expect from a planer at this price point. To its credit, this is a lightweight planer that is nice and fast, 32 feet per minute. Sadly, the 2-blade cutter head is less efficient and versatile, and it will inevitably cause your machine to burn out more quickly. That limited cutter head will also affect how deeply you can cut into wood without running into problems. And by the time you're willing to pay for planer in this price range, you're better off buying something much better. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.